Are we taking it there? Oh, we're not taking it there. Absolutely fucking not. I lied. We're not. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? It's your girl T, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I did this little, you know, little sunset moment on my eyes. Literally 1:30 in the morning, and I just felt like doing my makeup because, you know, like, why the fuck not? I have nothing better to do. This fucking dog barking is gonna get fucking snatched. But today I'm just doing a little get ready with me. Fuck that dog, yo. But today I'm just doing a little get ready with me. You guys follow along, get your makeup, let's do it together. Grab some tea, you know, grab your fucking soda, grab your alcoholic beverage, whatever, you know. I'm not saying, you know, do whatever you want. I don't really have much else to say, but I hope you guys like this look, this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, all that good shit. Follow me on all my social media. It'll be in the description box down below. And let's just hop right into this get ready with me. Said I didn't want this to be like an actual in-depth tutorial. I just wanted to like get ready with you guys. But I will try to like say everything I'm using. And if I skip something, I'll put everything that I'm putting on my face in the description box, so be sure to check that out. The No Poreblem primer, and honestly, I've been using this for a couple weeks now, and I still don't know how I feel about it. Also, if you see me looking over here or down here, it's because I have mirrors there, so if I'm not looking at the camera, that is why. But yeah, I really don't know how I feel about this primer because it does, like, the more I use it, the more silicone-y it feels. Like, it feels super silicone-y right now, but after, like, I don't know, like 5 minutes, it doesn't feel as, like, slippery. But it doesn't feel like the Professional either, so I don't really know how to explain it. It's weird. It's actually 12:08, so I'm not going anywhere. I just felt like putting on a face. So I did this thing the other day where I cleaned every single brush I own. And honestly, it took like 2 hours, but it was so worth it. Like seeing how brand new they look, it's so fucking lit. Like, not only did I clean my brushes, I cleaned my sponges too. And I have like two beauty blenders that I haven't used in like a year because they got so dirty. I have 2 beauty blenders that I haven't used in a year because they got so dirty. And I was honestly about ready to throw them away, but then I was like, you know what, let's see if I can find a way to clean them. Like, they're pretty, like, they're not, the real beauty blenders are not cheap, so I actually ended up finding a way to clean them, and they literally went from busted to beat. Like, I forgot how pink my beauty blenders were. That shit was wild. I never really got into the trend of like baking my face. Like, I tried it a couple of times and I don't know, I feel like it just made me like flashback Mary, honestly. And then I tried to do the whole like translucent powder with a wet sponge, and I don't like it. I feel like it's like I have too much powder in one spot and not enough in the other. And plus, I don't like wasting like product if I don't have to, and I feel like all of that is just wasting so much translucent powder when I don't need to. You know we're about to look like that bitch when I go on my nose, because I'm not really into nose contouring because I don't feel like I need it. But I'm just taking my LA Girl Pro concealer. This is actually a corrector. Who knew? Y'all know this is a wig, so we're just gonna slide her back real quick. I don't like to go too heavy with my cream contour all the time. I just like it when I want to be a little bit more precise, per se. I totally forgot you guys know this is a wig because I put that other video up. I honestly have the hardest time with this wig because, I mean, it was a very cheap wig, that's why I bought it. Because I wanted something long, straight, and cheap, but the problem is it doesn't fit it doesn't like go with my hairline, and I have a widow's peak, which is super fucking annoying, and I just don't know where I should wear this wig. Like, I feel like it looks so weird right there. I'm pulling it down, I don't give a fuck. So I was gonna powder my contour that I did with the liquid contour, but I feel like it's looking pretty good right now. Like, she definitely got some cheekbones, so I'm gonna leave it at that. I've been priming my eyes with my concealer. I mean, like, that's nothing new, but I've been doing it so much more, and I think it's just because, like, I'm really into the Wet n Wild concealer. Like, I used to be so into the Naked concealer, and that's definitely more of a liquidy formula, so it didn't really prime my eyes that well, but this one is such a more thicker concealer. Oh my god, my contact was moving. So it works really well to, like, set the eyeshadow and whatnot. And I don't know what I want to do. Like, I have an idea, but I guess we could just go. I'm feeling like a sunset colors, but like a cut crease maybe, something lit. But I'm gonna go into my Loreal palette, and I'm gonna go into Bomb Diggity. So we need to have a talk, guys. Like, for real, y'all need to, like, subscribe to my channel. I'm using the Loreal palette. I feel like I should sing her subscribe song, but I'm not going to because that's weird. We're gonna yeah, you guys really should, like, subscribe to my channel because, like, I'm trying to hit my first 100 subscribers, and that'd be kind of lit if you guys, you know, would show me some love, because my views and my subscriber count aren't, like, connecting, you know, like, they're not matching. So I'm gonna need y'all to help fix that. Thank you. I'm gonna go into Cray Cray shade right here. This is my favorite shade in the whole palette. I wish I was a little bit lighter skin tone, because I would just put that all over my eye. Like, it doesn't show up so pigmented on my eye, but if I was, like, a lighter skin tone, like, I would just do, like, a natural eye of that color all over my eye. Some scatterbrain center, call it a day. I'm just gonna go into my Yes Please palette and go into the red shade right there. What is she called? Butter Cake? I think that would be more like a better name for a yellow shade. That's just my opinion though. So I'm just gonna put this red on the outer corner. So also, I have another question for you guys. Like, what time is a good time for me to upload? Like, what time do you guys find yourself wanting to watch YouTube, because I've been uploading or trying to upload at 6 o'clock, and then sometimes that's when I get the most views, but I also get a lot of views like in the morning, so I don't know when I should upload. And then I try to look at my analytics, because it'll show you when people are watching your videos and how long and stuff, and I mean, it kind of jumps all over the place, so I really want to know what you guys would like. I know a lot of people message me saying they want to see me like vlog, but a lot of you guys don't know, but I don't have a phone at the moment. I just sent in my old phone because it was broken, so I should be getting a new phone soon. But not only that, oh my god, there's a hair. Any more? Not only that, I'm just going through a time in my life where, you know, I'm like kind of over people. Not only that, I mean, there's a lot of things going on in my life right now, but I mean, even if there wasn't a lot of things going on in my life, I really don't know who I would do things with. Like, I feel like Leos always get a lot of hate because we're so like into ourselves or self-centered, but I saw this awesome tweet today. Okay, so the tweet says basically that we should get credit because of our transparency and who we fuck with and who we don't. Like, we're very open about it. Like, if we don't like you, we're gonna tell you straight up, like, I don't fuck with you, get out my face, whatnot. Like, it's very apparent when we don't like someone, and if we do like you, we make that apparent too. So that's just what this tweet is saying. And it says you don't have to guess with us. Like, we're literally so straight up. So, and it also says, like, when we're down for you and we're loyal for you, like, we're definitely like down for you and loyal for you. And that's the thing, I think Leos get a bad rep because we can be a little flirtatious and not the most loyal sign always. But I think it's just because, like, when we haven't found the right one. Like, when we find the right one, then y'all will get our undivided loyal attention, you know? So, like, who watches my videos and what's your guys' sign? Like, because I'm still gonna do, like, my likes and dislikes for every sign, so I'm gonna need to know who I'm gonna be roasting. And don't worry, like I said, I will roast us Leos. I don't give a fuck. Who's gonna get that new Jeffree Star palette? I haven't even seen the colors yet, and I'm like, fuck. I know I'm gonna want it. So a review? Let's do it. Well, I think, like, once I start climbing on YouTube, because I'm not gonna give up, guys. Like, y'all can dislike my videos and talk shit and say, like, oh, you're just doing it for funsies. Yes, I am doing it for funsies, but I mean, I hope one day, like, I can get thousands of subscribers and, like, really help people with, like, makeup and, like, just, like, making a difference in people's lives, you know? Like, I want to be able, like, someone to log on YouTube and be like, Tia uploaded a video today, I know I'm gonna laugh. Definitely, but I definitely want to create content that people enjoy and they want to come back and see. I want this to be all for me. I want people to, like, actually come on here and enjoy watching me. And I've said, like, if you guys follow me on social media, I do not want this channel to be all makeup. Look how many fucking palettes I have. Like, damn, 2017 definitely was a fucking flop for me. Like, I know we're already like on to bigger and better things in 2018, but like it was definitely a flop. 2017 was a fucking fat ass fail for me. And never did I go into 2017 saying this was gonna be my year, because 2016 also fucking sucked ass for me. But actually I went into 2017 saying I was gonna be a piece of shit, honestly. That's exactly what happened. 2018, I am already on track to be a better me, a better year. Y'all gonna see me flourish. I don't even know why that popped in my, oh, it popped in my head because I was thinking like, damn, like this would be cool if I had like a Q&A going, but I just don't want a bunch of locals asking me why I sucked so hard in 2017. Why did you beat everyone up? Why did you do all the stupid shit you did? Honestly, I wish I had more answers for you guys. Honestly, this is my favorite brush. This is the Morphe M513. This shit is so nice. I really like it. Honestly, I'm fucking hungry. And it's 1 o'clock in the morning, 1:01 to be exact. Trick, just taking a concealer brush or something, getting your foundation and just like she's straight or whatever. I feel like it just looks, I don't know, I'm not one to smoke out my under eyes, like, I'm just really not. I just feel like it looked so much better on this side. This one just looks all fucking red now. But whatever, we too deep in it now. Camera, that looks red. This is like bright orange, I promise. We're not doing that, no. Absolutely fucking not. No, blinding. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this get ready with me. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let a girl know. I will definitely bring them to you. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.